Okay, here we go. Picture time. The opening's over here. The door. So the kids are taking a nap. Well, one kid. And we just got back from the beach. And this is the perfect downtime opportunity to take a picture when the rest of the family is just chilling and watching TV. Except for the videographer, which is always stuck doing what I want him to do. So there's a nice little path over here. So interestingly, this is a make for Minerva. And they probably won't release it. It's a shirt. They probably won't release it till like September, October. And it is July. So all I brought with me are like, springy colors. But I popped a hat on, put on some boots, and we'll try to go to an area that's like, looks a little bit more like fall. Maybe dim the colors. So we're gonna trick y'all into thinking it's fall, but it's not. So now you know. Mike Super Short Show. Mr. Photographer told me to stop because he wants the framing for the picture to be including this and then this little curve right here. So I was sitting here and then he told me to scoot over, so he's real boxy. So anyway, it's cool to think about those things. I mean, I think about him a little bit, but he's got a better eye for it, obviously. But it's just cool to have some more interest because I'm always not all about showing just the outfit. I want the actual picture to look really good. So sometimes it doesn't, but we try our best. So here we go. This is the part where he tells me if my arm looks funny or if like I'm slouching.
Scoot that way. Yep.
And then a lot of times he'll tell me, like, if I'm just standing like this, he'll be like, give me some like curves or stick your hip out or, separate your pants so they don't look like a big bubble. So it's pretty helpful. So those are things to think about. We're not experts, but
You speak for yourself.
And then I always make him do silly pictures, but he never likes them. So, like burying yourself in the leaves, things like that. But I never make the final cut. I don't know why. So, if you notice, the sun is not blaring, which is great. But sometimes it's bad to have a super white sky behind you, but we don't really have any other choice because it can look blown out. But I just wanted to mention, just now I was thinking that walking along because this is something I would do anyway in real life, so it's more natural, but it's always nice to have some kind of prop or something to play with. So I just kind of noticed the leaves and I just walk along and touch them, and that can make a good picture. And then if you have a top like this where you want to show the back, just kind of like turn and, not that anybody turns when they're walking, but it's fine. So sometimes I just kind of like turn around slowly. And and then my favorite thing is to have a hat because I never know what to do with my hands. So I just kind of like play with it, stuff like that. would like to know what goes through our heads. This is just one example of a photo shoot, but I think we've got probably a lot and probably all we need. And we end up taking like sometimes 100 pictures, and then I just pick a few that we like. So, and I usually just post one. So, unless we do a blog, and then you get to see a lot more. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button down below if you like everything you saw, and leave me a comment or ask me any questions. Most of the questions about photography I will refer to my hubby because he's the one that's taking the pictures. But if you have any questions about what I do or what he does, just ask me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And that's it. Thanks for watching. It was fun. Bye. Oh yeah, I need to calm down. I almost fell down.